If you have a local business and you are wondering how long it's going to take in order for your SEO to start working, make sure to continue watching this video. Welcome to Casey's SEO. And the answer really depends on a couple things. But first, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you guys can stay updated with more SEO tips. When determining how long it will take for your business to rank, we have to look at how long has your business been around, what is your domain authority, and how many reviews you have on your Google business profile page. If your business has been around for, let's say, 10 years, you have an optimized website, and you have hundreds of Google reviews, then the chances of you already ranking high on the search engines is very good. Now, if you are a brand new business, you've just created your website, you've just created your Google business profile page, you have no reviews, it's going to take you a lot longer in order to rank in that 3-pack than it would for somebody that's been around forever and just wanted to add a new location or a new product. I always recommend to give it 3 to 6 months before you start seeing results, but this will depend on your niche and how competitive your business is within your area. If your business is not very competitive within your area, and if you optimize your website and create that Google business profile page, within a matter of months, you should be ranking in that 3-pack and getting customers calling you without actually putting in much work. Now, if you're in a competitive niche, you may have to post every single day for the first 6 months just to get on the second page of maps for your Google business profile page, which will not be giving you any customers at the moment, but it will still bring you ahead of multiple people. And over time, as you get more reviews, keep posting content and optimizing your website, eventually you should move on to that first page of your Google search. If you are in a competitive niche, I suggest, if you want to rank very quickly, to use something like Google Ads, and then you can get your business ahead of your competitors, but this will cost you money. If you just want to focus on SEO, you're gonna have to put in the time. Like I said, you might have to post every single day and optimize your website to the best of your ability, and or hire out to a company just so you can stay competitive. But this still will take time in order for you to get the rankings that you want. So remember, it's going to take you guys 3 to 6 months before you start seeing results, but this will depend on your niche and your location. And if you guys have any questions about ranking your local business, please let me know, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips.